Hi mateys, it's Dazzling Latte. My face feels kind of fat today. I don't know. I was hoping that'd be funnier than what it was, but it really does. It just feels puffy. I got my coffee. Having a bit of a rough morning, but gonna try out something from Influencer. Try not to show my address on the back. But it is a hair dye kit. I haven't had a lot of time lately. Got a few other ones that I had to try out. Okay, so first, should I show you like the this is the box, okay, and then here's what's inside. We got a little card. It's like the little social medias of Garnier Nutrisse. Okay, Garnier. That is the brand. I've used a lot of the products before. I like a lot of their stuff. I don't think I've ever used a hair dye kit, so this is gonna be the first time. This is a Garnier Nutrisse Nourishing Color Cream, and it is medium natural blonde. Also, quick thing, I was sent this by Influencer for free, and to try and review. I'm not getting paid for this, all that stuff. Just getting a little disclaimer in before I start trying this out. Oh my gosh, I did not look at my hair today. Woo! Yes, let's brush this out just a little bit. Just a little bit. Hoping this one says, like, put on unwashed hair, because I have not washed my hair in probably a week. Oh yeah, I already opened this because I wanted to see what was inside. I was really curious. Okay, so we got this thing. This is the color cream. This is the developer. Cream developer. I'm getting pretty good at this. I know what all these things are. Okay, and this is, oh, conditioner. It's so cute. Ooh, bottle. Okay, and this is something, I think this is like, what is this? It's fruit oil. I think you put it in your hair to keep it healthy. I don't know. Let's read the instructions. Amen. Okay. Ooh, gloves. Gloves. Okay, so first, oh, that's Spanish. I always look at the Spanish instructions. Put on gloves, twist off applicator, cream developer, remove cap from bottle. Okay, so pretty much like every single hair dye kit I've used so far. Let me just grab some of my coffee and I'll set it off to the side. So my hair tie, I not want to get this dirty. Set my coffee's down. Hair tie over there. Cool. Yep. Okay. So, oh man. Oh. Allergies. Oh my gosh. Okay. Did this thing come off? You're supposed to like, oh. Okay, well that thing came, came off. Okay, and then, ow, ow, ow. This thing's supposed to twist off. Ow. Ugh. I think my hands are just really sensitive this morning. They're sensitive some mornings, and just like any kind of pressure on them just like hurts. Don't know what that one's about, but I tell you, today is not my day. Ugh. I told you, it's just a bad day all around. Okay, got this little thing, and it has a little thing to poke the hole in there. Ah! Okay, then you pour this into here. See? It's 2 bottles. Yeah, good. I like how they're different shapes, so I don't mistake the conditioner for the cream developer or whatever. Whatever it is, it's the cream color or whatever. Ugh. Okay, I think that's most of it's gonna come out of there. Okay, it's all in there. And then mix it together, right? Ah, okay. So this little oil stuff, right? Okay, this goes into here before we apply this. I like that it's just, okay, and you snap it off. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cool. Come on. Come on. Okay, I think I just, okay, and then I pour it. Amen. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, and then mix it and apply it. Okay, so I can apply it to unwashed hair. Sweet. Okay, let's kind of keep things clean over here. And then once I apply it, it says to wait 25 minutes or 30 minutes for lots of gray hair or resistant / coarse hair. I would say my hair is very resistant to hair dye, so I'm just gonna let it sit for 30 minutes. That's the... Okay, we mix it up. I think that's probably good enough. Okay. Okay, I just rinsed my hair. Now I'm going to put in the conditioner. And then rinse that out, and then I'll style. like how my hair looks. It looks, I don't know, it doesn't look like blonde, but it kind of looks like kind of a caramel color. I like it. It looks cute, and I like the fact that this it really moisturized my hair, you know, like conditioned it and stuff, and it's not like damaged afterwards. Because I have been doing a lot of episodes of hair dyeing adventure lately, and I'm probably gonna pull back a little bit to maybe like once a month. But yeah, I love the color. It's probably not the same as on the box. It's probably like maybe a couple shades darker, but I like it. It looks cute. And I'm gonna pose for the thumbnail. Okay, well that's all good, and for now I have to go, but until then, smooth sailing to you and your pirate crew.